Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Stone HS720 GPS drone. The Stone HS720's most impressive feature is its ability to follow you for over 26 minutes thanks to its incredible battery and brushless motors. The optimized Full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens enables you to see the word from different angle. The Wi-Fi frequency of the drone is 5G. Please make sure your mobile device is compatible with the 5G Wi-Fi signal, otherwise, there would be something wrong using the app. 4K camera with shock absorption, a 90 degrees rotation adjustable lens and 5G fluent FPV transmission will let you experience the world right before your eyes. The military-grade intelligent battery is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. Dual balance charger is included. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longest than brushed motor. Control the drone and enjoy the beauty and landscapes everywhere you go through app. When you return home, share your creation with one click in app. Our second best Follow Me drones is DJI Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. The navigation system is top-notch and provides precise results, while the battery life and flight range ensure that you can get great footage without worrying about running out of power.
Air 2. You may have some questions, like?
So what's different?
Well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way down. And yes, there's HDR video. How's the flight time? It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different?
Third in our list is Best Follow Me drones list is DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 has been dubbed the world's smallest, smartest, and most efficient drone. The device is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for even inexperienced pilots who want to have some fun with their drones. The Follow Me mode on the DJI Mavic 3 means that the drone will always follow you. When you want to film yourself or need help setting up a shot and don't want to risk losing the flight path by making complicated maneuvers, this is extremely useful. This drone is especially useful for frequent travelers because it fits inside a small bag with its propellers removed, so taking it on a plane isn't a problem. Drone cameras assist the drone in obstacle avoidance, allowing you to fly this aircraft in more difficult terrain than before. This model also has ultra-compact antennas built into the device's top, so there will be no interference from protruding antennas that create drag when in flight. This drone's battery has a capacity of 5,000 mAh, which allows for 45 minutes of flight time. This is a reasonable amount for a device of this size, but if you want to fully utilize the DJI Mavic 3's capabilities, you'll need 2 batteries, as one will not suffice if you're filming or photographing. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our Potensic D88 UHD FPV drone. Potensic is known for offering high-quality, feature-packed drones at a low cost. The D88 has a plethora of intelligent flight modes. The Follow Me mode creates a stable link by tethering to your phone's GPS transmitter. This allows the drone to follow you around with precision and ease. This is a good Follow Me drone not only because of the features, but also because of the accessories. With its included aluminum case and folding design, it's simple to take it with you wherever you go. Potensic are designed to help people get into the hobby and are definitely more beginner-friendly. Thanks to a combination of optical and altitude sensors, hovering this drone is simple. Waypoint flight, which allows you to plot predetermined paths you set in the app, is one of the flight modes available with the D88. Set a target subject for the drone to orbit around for stunning 360-degree shots of people, buildings, or landmarks in points of interest mode. All of these features can be accessed and controlled using the included remote controller, which also allows for first-person viewing, FPV, on your smartphone screen. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is DJI Spark Drone. DJI Spark has a reputation for producing high-quality devices with all of the latest features at a reasonable price. The drone itself is only 300 grams, so it won't be difficult to pack in your backpack for a road trip or vacation. If the signal is lost or you lose control, the DJI Spark is equipped with GPS and can return to the takeoff point on its own. Spark also has forward vision sensors, which allow it to detect obstacles in front of it and come to a halt before colliding with them. Spark's maximum distance from the ground is limited to 2 kilometers, which is a reasonable size without jeopardizing the device's portability. According to the manufacturer, the drone's average flight speed is 31 miles per hour, which is extremely fast considering its weight. Spark also has a variety of preset flight speeds, allowing you to fly at low or high altitudes. Spark's standard model has a 1,480 mAh lithium polymer battery that takes about 100 minutes to fully charge. If you require more power, DJI offers an upgrade that allows you to fly for up to 16 minutes per charge.